Animals Trivia Quiz 9. Which gender of the Indian peafowl has such beautiful feathers? Adult males. Adult females. Both males and females. Adult males. The red panda is also called the red cat bear. Which of these animals is actually a relative of the red panda or red cat bear? Panda. Weasel. Cat. Weasel. Is a jellyfish able to sting even when they are washed up on the beach and appear dead? Yes or no? Yes. Even if jellyfish are in the sand and appear dead, they are still able to sting. What is the only cervid deer species in which females grow antlers as well as males? Elk. Mule deer. Caribou reindeer. Caribou reindeer. Although zebras don't have an Arabic origin, the name of their groups does. What are these groups called? Persians. Rebies. Harems. Harems. How does the great blue heron locate its food? By sight. By movement. By sound. By sight. What animal is this large carnivore named after? Crocodile. Buffalo. Elephant. Elephant. What type of an eater is a chipmunk? Folivore. Herbivore. Omnivore. Omnivore. How many vertebrae are there in a giraffe's neck? 14. 7. 21. 7. What is the red part on top of a rooster's head called? Wattle. Crown. Comb. Comb.